BFT motor wiring and programming. I will tell you the programming and wirings for BFT motor. And this, as you can see, and there 26 and 27 is power supply for auxiliary. If you have any photocells and all, you can get the power supply. And 60 and 60 and 61 and 62 is for the push button. 61 will be the common, and 61 open and 62 close. If you have single stations, then you can use any one, 61 or 62, by taking common of 60. And 70 is common for all safety devices. Or 71 is stop button NC, and 72 is also photocell, or 73 is also photocell. Common will be 70. Now what we will do, we just see how we will program. What we need to do, we need to press this plus button, OK button for 5 seconds. Just now it's asking for close limit, CLOSE. Close means it's asking for close limit. We have the minus button, we will give the close limit by pressing minus button. See, as you can see, the door is closing. Once door will achieve the desired position, what we will do, we will release this button. Suppose this is our desired position. If anything off, on, whatever means you can do, you can once you will achieve the desired position, just need to press this OK button. Now this is down. Down means, see, there in manual you can see down means this encoder we have to move like this. What I will do, just I will pull this one first, again I will do like this, rotate like this, as it is mentioned in manual. Now pulling is compulsory. Now OK means, if you will get this OK means close limit has been received. Now we will press this program. Now it's asking for open limit. Now I will give the open command. Suppose this is your open limit. Now the saving the open limit, what we will do, we will press this program OK button again. This now PRG means saving the OK. Now again auto means this will take automatic open and close 2 times to set the limit. Now as you can see, this will close. First operation has been completed for opening and closing. Now second, now it's closing. Now in display OK means the limit has been set. SLC means door is in closed position. Thank you.